Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to another video. It's Frankie, and as you saw by the title of the video, we're gonna be installing finally the new wheels to the Kia Stinger. But I gotta move that Stinger over here so we could get to jacking up the car. I don't want to do it in the street, but we gotta wake up this sleeping beauty. I haven't had it on for about 2 weeks now, so I'm gonna have to jump start it. Let's get to it. Car's so dead, I'm gonna have to use the key because the remote won't even start it. Here we go. And there we go. Damn, I missed that interior. Before I show you guys the new wheels, let me do a quick cinematic video of the OEM setup. As you see, the OEM wheels look really good with the upgraded brake rotors. As you know, on this channel we modify the shit out of our Kias, so we need to get rid of those OEM wheels. But if you guys missed that last video I posted of installing those upgraded rotors, go check it out. It's such an easy install. Highly recommend you guys watch it. I promise you guys it's gonna make you guys want to install these as well. But I have the new wheels right in front of me, so let's get started and let's start removing these OEM wheels. Stock wheel is removed. This is the rear. Let me show you guys the thickness difference. This is a size 9 or 8.5. This is a 10.5, running a 285 in the rear. This will be changed soon. I ordered some very thick, meaty tires. Like I said, this car is gonna be a drag car. As for that, that's gonna be the track car. So we need a real meaty setup for this, but there's a comparison. Now I'm actually gonna weigh them to see how much weight difference or weight reduction we're gonna have with these new thick ass wheels. These are the stock. This is going to be the rear setup, which is the widest. On all-wheel drive they come with a 255, so this is sitting at about 58 pounds, 57.8. so brand new tires, they're about 58 pounds. These are much wider and thicker, but because these are forged wheels, I don't want to show the face yet, but because these are forged wheels, they should weigh a bit less. So the new wheels are sitting at about 51 pounds. So we're saving about 7 pounds with the OEM setup. And these are much thicker and much wider. The right side's done. Let me show you guys the fitment. That's the OEM wheel setup. Very tucked, not flush to the car. Remember, this is stock suspension. Soon that will change tomorrow morning, but there we go. Flush as hell, a whole lot of meat showing. Now just imagine some thick old boys in the back with some big sidewall showing. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. You could even see it from the front. Oh my gosh. Now I don't want to show the face yet, but I also don't want to make you guys wait till the end. But here's a comparison, OEM versus the new wheels. You know what, I'm actually gonna show you guys the wheels now. So I appreciate you guys if you guys have stayed this long. Before I show you guys the new wheels, I need you guys to comment down below with which style I went with. I'm gonna pull up a picture here. Pause, take a second, and comment down below which option do you think I went with. Oh my god, look at that. You already know these are two-piece with that. Oh my god, they look so good from the back. Need your guys' help. I'm deciding whether I want to do flush center caps or raised center caps. Let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Here are the flush center caps. These are Forgestar performance wheels, and these are the flush center caps. But Here we have the race center caps. Guys, look at this fitment from the rear brake rotors to the Brembo brakes. Like, oh my gosh, look at that. Help me decide, do you guys like this style race center caps or the flush? I don't know, I'm deciding which one looks better. You guys comment down below, please. I need you guys' help. Look at what I mean by perfect fitment. Like, the brake rotors fit perfectly. Look at the brake clearance. It's like, oh my gosh, as flush as possible. And then, I mean, guys, look at this. Imagine once this car gets lowered, how perfect fitment it's gonna be. And the only person I could thank for these perfect wheels are Brandon, aka Stinger GT 3.3 on Instagram. His build is freaking crazy. I need you guys to go follow him. He's the one that got me these wheels. Or now, they were a hefty price, but these are Forgestar wheels. These are custom made. Just look at them, they look so freaking good. Perfect fitment, no issues. So once again, Brandon, thank you so much. From stock wheels to these freaking beautiful wheels, the fitment is just so good. I'll make sure to put all the specs in the description if you guys want to know. Comparison of the rotor setup. I mean, the OEM wheels do look good, don't get me wrong, but I really love two-piece wheels, as you could tell by the wheels I have on the K5. I mean, guys, look at that. That looks so freaking good. It fits so perfectly. I'm like so excited to rock these wheels. And tomorrow I have my coilover install going to happen in the morning. So guys, this fitment will be gone. So please don't leave some comments down there saying that my fitment is horrible. That's gonna be changed by tomorrow morning. Now I'm gonna finish installing the wheels. That way I could do a dope cinematic of the car rolling. Now we gotta remove these hubcaps so we can have access to these lug nuts. All right, these wheels will need to use a hub-centric centerpiece. You guys wondering what size? 72.6 by 67.1. And I do plastic, no need for metal. Time to put on the wheel. Perfect, slid right in. Oh my god, look at the brake clearance, bro. Should I run the spikes that go at the end of these lug nuts, or should I keep them the way they are now? So comment down below. I need your guys' help deciding. So I just got this box right here. I'm not sure what video I'm gonna put this in, but basically this is the first carbon fiber piece that we're gonna be putting on the Kia Stinger. I do have a bunch of carbon fiber parts. It's just I don't want to install them yet. I want to do this one first because it is the interior piece, but other than that, I have a whole bunch of carbon fiber parts for the exterior. So we're gonna soon do a carbon fiber overhaul, but let me show you guys the carbon fiber interior real quick. So let's open this box up real quick. From what I was told, you don't remove the dashboard, you keep your stock dashboard. It's just more of a mask that you put on top of your original dash with some 3M tape. All right, here's the first piece. So this is from Element 6. I did not know that. I just ordered this off of eBay. I didn't know what brand or who it's from. All I knew was that it's cheaper than replacing the whole entire dash in carbon fiber. It's about half the cost. Oh dang, this looks really good. I was expecting some really cheap done carbon fiber, but this actually came out really good. Holy shit. And I thought I was gonna have to implement my own 3M tape. I thought they were gonna use like the cheap kind of 3M, you know, the fake kind, but this is real 3M tape. Oh snaps, this looks really good. Hopefully it fits perfectly. What I'm afraid of is there's gonna be some areas that are gonna stick out or the glue's not gonna hold, but obviously time will tell. Oh my god, dude, this is so sick. Oh god. Again, 3M tape. Ooh, real carbon fiber. This is not fake carbon fiber. Ooh, this looks good. Oh damn. Oh, sick. Awesome. Okay, so let's see if I can show you guys in the sun. This is the carbon fiber, glistening. So from what I saw in the pictures, there was a little bit of a logo on the bottom here. I was afraid that that was gonna be there and I was gonna cover it up, but it came out actually, dude, this came out really good. Let's go try it on the car, see how it came out. But dang man, this looks really good. Something I wish this came with was some adhesive promoter. That way it sticks on to this properly, because this type of leather doesn't adhere good to plastics or glue. But hopefully this thing withstands it. Like I said, I wish it came with some adhesive promoter, but this will do. All right, that's done. First side's done. Now to do the centerpiece. Oh man, I'm kind of worried. Let's hope the alignment is perfect. What I'm scared of is not gonna align, but oh shit, looks like it's about to fit like a glove. Holy shit, it actually looks pretty good. Not sure if it needs to be heated up, but I'm having an issue with it holding on that side. Now I'm kind of like worried, but the alignment here seems pretty good. Like I said, the only issue seems like it's not sitting properly on this side. That's what I'm kind of worried about right now. Now we're just gonna add my signature touch right here. And that way everyone knows this is a GT2. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna place it right here. So what do you guys think of the new wheel setup? I hope you guys really do like it, because these wheels were freaking pricey, but then again, they are some custom wheels. They're not one-piece wheels, they're two-piece wheels. We could have done three-piece, but I'm not that spicy yet. We'll get there eventually. All right guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, please hit that like button. Also subscribe if you guys haven't yet done so. Remember, the next video, we're getting the suspension installed, so this car is getting dropped. So we're gonna have some flush, perfect fitment. Remember, I'm trying to make this car the most spiciest stinger. See you guys in the next video. Peace.